Okay.
Are you ready?
Never been more ready.
Then let's do this.
Yes, let's do this.
Okay.
Alright, you go.
Right. Welcome. So we have a big announcement to make. Felix asked me to marry him.
You're getting married.
Oh yeah, that's what it means.
We love each other.
Son? It's okay, don't worry. Look, they'll come around, okay? The most important thing is my yes.
Yeah.
Sit.
Alright, thank you.
So, something to drink? Yeah. Eat?
Hey, pretty. I've been trying to get your attention.
What for?
I just want to be friends.
Why?
I mean, I would love to get acquainted with my neighbor. We just moved in. I only see you walking around.
Angry walk. I take a walk when I'm angry.
I'm sorry, my name is Sam.
Didi.
Nice to meet you. Can I have a shake? Okay. Looks like you had a lot to say.
You know, it's crazy because how could she just think of moving on so fast? After everything, she wants to get married and forget about my dad. It's been 4 years since he died.
4 years is...
It's just like yesterday, I know.
Left to me, if marriage will make my mom stay off work and spend some time at home with me, I won't mind though.
No. You know why? Because she's just gonna forget about my dad. Just... I can't.
Oh, okay, I'll give up. You know what, let's just dance the anger away. I hope you can dance. Come.
Oh boy.
Come here. Don't be shy. Cinderella. Just dance with me, okay?
What are we dancing? What
Hold
is
this
this dance called?
And you go like this. Yeah, like that. Just dance. Dance the anger away.
Okay.
Yeah. Like that. What's that? Oh. Sorry. Just dance the anger away, you'll be fine, okay? As long as you're with me.
So now it's my turn to tell you.
Tell you, nah. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. Oh.
Blow off your candles. Yay! Happy birthday, birthday boy!
Thank you, girl. Thank you.
Make your wish. No way! Out loud.
No, it's supposed to be a secret.
Oh, really? No, we're getting married soon. Spill it out already.
Okay. I wish the kids will accept me and we'll live together happily ever after as a family.
Wow. Don't worry. It's just a matter of time, okay? They'll come around.
I love you.
I love you too. Happy birthday, darling.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Oh.
Okay. Why don't you kids come join us?
Yeah, it's his birthday.
Felix will never be our dad.
Oh, Hey, come on. Don't let it get to you. So, let's celebrate.
Yeah.
I can't believe she's trying so hard to make us forget Dad.
I can never forget Dad.
He was the best. Felix can never ever replace Dad. No matter how hard he tries. Listen to me. Never ever let him get to you, okay?
Sure. But, I mean, he does seem like a nice guy.
No buts. Felix can never be our dad, and that's it.
Okay.
We have to keep him alive in our hearts and in this house. That's the promise we have to make to him.
Sure. But, can I at least get some cake?
No. Really?
Yes, who is that? What do you want?
I just want to talk, like men.
Sit.
Thank you. Listen, Brian, I don't want to replace your dad. He was a great dad to you guys and he raised you absolutely well.
But you're making my mom forget about him.
I can never do that. Your mom just wants to be happy again, that's all.
She is happy. We were happy before you came into our lives.
Brian, I love your mom more than I can put into words. And I want her to be happy again.
Really? So mom, you're just going to replace dad like that?
4 years. Brian, 4 long years. It's been 4 long years since your dad passed on. I can never forget how good he was to us. But Brian, you have to understand. Life goes on. And we deserve to be happy.
Mom, 4 years. 4 years isn't enough to forget a man that was good to you.
Brian, just calm down. Like I said, I'm not here to replace your father. I'm here to support your mom. And also be in your lives as well. Your father's memory will forever be cherished. But we can make new ones together as a family.
Brian, you have to understand. No one is erasing Dad's memory. You have to understand. What we're trying to do is just to heal and move forward as family. Honey, let's go.
So how was school today?
It's fine.
Nice.
Didi, he was also talking to you.
School was nice. I mean, it's better than our new family dynamic.
It's okay. Let's just have a nice dinner together.
Nice dinner. Is this what you call nice?
Didi, it's okay.
I'm just saying things the way they are.
Show some respect, Didi.
Respect. The same way you showed us respect by bringing him into our lives.
Okay. Alright. Okay guys, let's just have a quiet dinner. Please.
Get back here. Didi, are you out of your mind walking out on us? Didi! Can you imagine?
It's okay.
She's okay about this.
I don't know.
Fix everywhere. Come on. You don't have to worry about Brian. He will always come around. We should be worried about Didi.
You said she was his favorite.
Daddy's first lady.
I can imagine how difficult it is for her, but I'm willing to wait as long as I can.
Don't I just love you?
Come on. She's gonna be my daughter too. And I love you. All right. See you around then.
Yeah, all right.
Who's that? Why'd you want to break my door?
Oh my god. Please just give me something to drink.
Not until you tell me what's wrong.
You see, not my mom and her stupid boyfriend.
Yours is better. At least your mom is present in your life. All my mom cares about is work and work, work, work. That's all. What's wrong?
I just wish my dad was still alive. It's even better for my mom to be absent in my life than for her to be present and still be forcing down her boyfriend into my life.
At this point, don't you just think you should accept them?
No! Never! See, I would rather die. I would rather die, yes.
I'm coming with your drink.
Please hurry.
Yeah, there you go. Easy. This is alcohol, not water.
Big.
It's okay.
You're drinking that?
Yeah, wait. Sorry. Come on. Sorry. It's okay. Everything will be fine, okay?
What are you doing?
So I saw the game at the supermarket and your mom says you're a champion, so yeah, let's play one. It's just a game. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah, show me how much of a champion you are. Your mom won't let me.
So,
all right. Okay, I see your game plan. Let's go. I'll take it back.
okay. So, okay, move. Let me take this.
Oh, you're baiting me. Okay. You left your queen exposed because you want me to make a move? No, I will not make that move. Oh, I see what you're doing.
Exactly.
Hey, I've exposed my queen.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What do I do? I see your hand.
Yes.
How long have you been playing this though?
Not too long.
Well, you're good. Okay.
So I think it's time I bring this
oh,
out.
your knight. This man. Yeah. Okay, I play. So I just solving this.
I need to get you home, okay? Let's just go home.
Hell,
I
not
know you don't
home.
like your house, but let's just go, okay?
I just don't understand. Even Brian, of all people, is gradually tilting towards them. I
Okay,
hate
you know
it
what?
here.
Do you want to hang out with me for a while?
You know what? That sounds fine to me.
Okay, let's do it. Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. I'm tired of... Oh my god.
I think we should stop now.
Giving up already? I thought you said your mom was out of town.
No, that was with the housekeeper. She went out with the driver.
Oh, I think I should get going.
No, because of Auntie Gladys. Don't worry, you can stay all you want. Come here. I love you.
I love you too.
So you don't like movies like this?
You don't like it?
Yeah, I do. It's you. You don't like movies like this. You love action movies.
Yeah, I like action, but I like this helps me relax. Funny enough, I had loads of the comics, Alvin and Chipmunks comics when I was a kid.
You
Yeah,
did?
I did, of course.
Wow.
You didn't know I was into comics.
Hi, honey. How was school today?
It's okay. Let me go talk to her. Let me talk to her.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Yeah.
Depends on what you want.
I just want to talk.
You have 10 seconds.
I'm not your father, Didi, and I can never replace him. But I think we can be happy together as a family. So this is me extending my hand of friendship.
Well, I have another offer for you. Get out of my room.
Didi, listen, I'm just trying to...
Mom! Mommy! Don't touch me!
What?
Mommy!
Touching you? What are you?
Mommy!
What's going on?
I don't know.
You tried to rape
Are you... That's a lie. I would never do that. She's lying.
me.
What are you... Didi?
Mommy! He abused me. He abused me.
I didn't.
Get out of my room! Get out!
Didi?
Get out of my room!
Leave.
Sandra.
Leave. Just go.
He tried to rape me.
Tell me the truth.
Mommy, I'm telling you the truth. He tried to rape me. Why are you taking his side now?
I'm not taking his side. I just wanted to know the truth.
I just told you. It's up to you to believe. If you want to believe, it's fine. Then if you don't want to believe it, no problem.
Sandra, I'll never do that to my own daughter.
I want to be left alone.
If that's what you want.
Please leave.
What?
Leave.
Babe, listen, I will never hurt anybody, especially not our own children.
Honestly, Felix, honestly, I don't know what to believe or who to believe.
Okay, believe in what I feel for you. Believe in us, what we share. How can I?
You know what? I still need time. I need time to take all of this in. Please leave. Leave. Did you tell your sister breakfast is ready?
I did.
So why isn't she here?
Good morning, everyone. Mommy, you didn't respond to my greeting.
How are you?
Okay, what's with the mood? Oh, is it because of Felix? Mommy, he got what he deserved.
You won't talk about him like that.
Okay, oh. The most important thing is that he's out of our lives for good. Mission accomplished.
What do you mean by mission accomplished? Answer me, what do you mean by mission accomplished?
I may have to go now, bye.
Didi, don't walk past. Didi, I'm talking to you. Do not walk past that door without answering me. Didi! Can you imagine? Didi? 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 Brian! 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 Where is Didi? Didi has gone.
What do you mean, where is Didi?
She left with some of her clothes.
Gone where?
I don't know.
Didi! Didi!
Did she tell you anything? Did she tell you where she was going to?
No, she didn't.
She didn't tell you anything.
I came as fast as I could. What happened?
Didi is gone.
Come where?
I don't know. She didn't tell me.
Have you called her?
I called. She's not taking my calls.
Oh, do you have any idea where she might? Have you called any of her friends? Do you know where she might be?
Maybe she's at her boyfriend's house.
Boyfriend?
Didi has a boyfriend?
Yes, it's supposed to be a secret.
No, not when it comes to the family. Do you know his house?
Yes, he lives in this estate.
Oh, let's go already.
Hold on, I'm coming. What's going on?
Where is she?
Where's who?
Didi, where is she?
How am I supposed to have the answer to that question? Is she not your daughter? She should be in your custody.
Are you not her boyfriend?
Boyfriend? I'm not. Am I not too young for that?
Right.
But I thought...
You thought what? You thought what? Can you leave, please? Are you not ashamed to be here looking for your daughter by this hour? Can you leave? What's all this?
She told me.
Damn.
Who was that?
That's none of your business.
Sam.
Damn.
Man, what happened? Is this the place?
Are they the ones?
How did they know about us?
Brian, he had suspicions and I had to tell him.
You told him. Now my house is their first stop.
I'm sorry. So what am I going to do now?
Don't worry, I took care of it. But don't you think you should go home?
No! They hate me in that house. I don't even know why she's pretending to care about me when she knows she doesn't. She would choose that man over me.
It's okay. He was even here with her.
Oh, she even went back to him.
Don't worry, you can stay here as far long as you want.
For real?
So, come here. Everything's going to be fine, okay?
Who's there? Oh, your mom.
I need you to tell me the truth.
Mom, I already told you. I don't know where Didi went to.
I want you to tell me about all her friends and their addresses.
Addresses? How? I don't even know Didi's friends ever since she entered university.
But you knew about Sam.
Yes, because she told me.
So who is lying amongst them?
I don't know. I don't know.
I miss this. Hey.
Hey. What are you doing?
Something that makes me feel good. You wanna try? Come on. It's to make you feel good. Trust me. Come. Gently. Like this. Sniff. Gently. Yeah. You like that? Come on, don't be a junkie now. Yeah. How'd you feel? That's my girl. Oh, come on now. It makes me forget all my worries. Who's that?
The policemen are...
Police?
Yes.
In my house?
Yes.
What'd you tell them?
I I didn't tell them anything. They have not seen me yet.
Any word from you and your job here is done. Okay? Stay here. I'm coming.
What do you think?
Yes, officer, can I help you?
We have a warrant to search his house.
Search my house. Why? You still think your daughter is here? The warrant. Can go ahead. It's locked.
Why?
Because that's my mom's room, and anytime she's going on a trip, she locks her room. That's why.
So are you telling me you are all alone in this house?
Well, for now, until she's back next week, you can come do your research by then.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
What do you think you're doing?
What does it look like? She doesn't want to be with him.
And she chose to be with you.
Is there anything wrong with that? How is that your concern?
You know what? I'm going to call your mom and tell her all the rubbish you've been up to.
And you think she's going to believe you?
Let's find out.
Okay. Tell her you've gotten another job. Now leave my room. Now. Get out! Didi, we need to leave. We need to leave.
Ouch, leave to where?
Your sister, your uncle, anyway. We just need to leave.
You thought you said you loved me.
Yes, ma. Exactly. That is what Sam has been up to of late. Okay, ma. Okay. Bye.
Mom, your job here is done. Mom, how can you believe that trash? Why would I even do such a thing? Mom, the truth is, I didn't want to tell you this before because I felt I could handle it. Auntie Gladys has been coming home with different men. I even overheard her talking to one of them about selling the house. Her coming up with a lie against me like this means she's definitely up to something. Mom, are you there? Yes.
Hello, ma. Ma? Ma, what did I do? You're relieving me of my duties. Ma, please. Ma, but... Hello? Sam.
Sam.
But you know that my kids depend on my salary, right?
Oh, you didn't know that when you were wrapping your mouth? You should have listened when I told you. Please pack your things and leave this house. Now, please. Leave this house! Am I going to wallow in misery with you? Rubbish. Didi, we need to leave now. Didi! We need to leave now.
Why?
Just get up and pack your things. Stop the questions.
Why?
Gladys has been fired and she might just tell your parents everything. Hey! Just a few sniff and you're behaving like this. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Just a few sniff and you're behaving like this. Damn.
Thank you for coming through for us.
No, it's not a problem.
I'm sorry for taking sides with her. At least now I know she lied.
Don't worry, let's just focus on finding her and bringing her back home.
Yeah. Who is it?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Who are you? How may I help you? I am Sam's housekeeper. Sam's housekeeper? Yes, ma'am.
What do you want?
Where is she?
You are still looking for your daughter.
Listen, you will rot in jail for this. Where's she?
I should be the one getting you arrested for barging into my compound without my notice.
I want to search again.
You are not searching this house.
She's
You've been here
definitely
earlier.
upstairs.
What's the meaning of this rubbish?
I'll take you there.
Hey,
Come on, will you
Charlie, something-
get out of this place? I thought he said she'll be here.
Yes, ma'am.
So where is she?
She was right here in this room when I left. And it's not on how I left the house now. She must be somewhere in the house.
Let's go. We've reported the matter to the police. Let's go.
Sir, please believe me. I'm telling the truth.
Telling the truth, then where is she?
Oh my God, boy.
Is this for her?
Yes, this is my daughter's
I
room.
knew it. She was right here in this room.
This is hers.
Yes.
Didi! Didi!
It's not there.
Didi! 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 Didi, come out here! Didi! Didi!
He's gone.
She's gone?
He's gone, yeah.
We'll stay here for a while until they stop looking for you. I love you too. Which one's you tempted?
I want to sniff.
No, I don't want you to turn into a junkie.
They just asked me what I want.
I was asking for food.
I don't want to eat food. That's what I want.
Didi. Okay, that's fine. Your wish is my command. Yeah. Wait, calm down. Easy, tiger. Yeah. Yeah. You feel good, huh?
I can't believe she will do this. We don't even know where she is or if she's safe.
I know, but we need to stay strong. Alright, we'll find her no matter what.
Let's pray. I'm sure God will help us find her. Let us pray. Dear God, we come before you in our time of need. Our dear Didi has run off. We don't even know where she is. God, guide her and keep her safe for us.
Lord, please, we need your guidance. Lead us to Didi so we can bring her back to our arms and into your light.
Dear God, give us the strength to endure uncertainty. Give us the wisdom to make the right decision.
Our Father, we put our trust in you to lead us through these dark times. Amen.
Amen.
It's okay, we'll find her. We'll find her. It's okay.
Yeah.
We'll find her.
Sometimes what you see is not what you think. Life is deep, don't what you see. Take it easy. Family is not only about the blood.
Hello, Didi. Didi, Mommy and Daddy are worried about you.
Really? Dad? Listen, don't call this number again. Do you hear me?
You've been winning.
So you have to pick 3 now. No, last card. Hold on. Okay, so hold on. I win!
I feel like a loser. I need something to boost my energy. I think we're out.
What do you mean we're out? I thought you bought some yesterday.
Well, it's finished.
How? You have to buy another one. You can't finish.
We can do without it.
No, we can't. Sam, get from your plug or whatever. See.
You're getting addicted.
Well, I have you to thank for that.
Are you serious? Don't you ever blame me for your recklessness again. Are you okay? You ran away from your home by yourself. You made all those decisions by yourself, not me. What rubbish.
You should come downstairs to eat.
I'm not hungry.
Yeah, but you need to eat.
Felix, I have been a terrible mother.
No, shh, don't say that. Please. You love them like every mother would.
Forcing you into their lives was a terrible mistake I made.
It wasn't. You wanted your happiness. Everybody deserves that.
Now today is gone.
We'll find her. I'm here for you.
I'm here for you too, Mom. We'll find her, okay?
No? Excuse me, woman. You should call your son and tell him to bring back my daughter. Hello? Hello? Can you imagine? She cut the call on me. She said her golden son will never do a thing like this.
You can't hide for too long.
Stupid boy. Parents that would never train their children rightly.
Mom.
Yeah.
What if we inform her university? They go to the same university and I think they have some friends there.
Yeah, you're right though. I think we should put a price on anyone who has useful information. What do you think?
Let's give it a shot.
Yes, let's go already.
What's the meaning of this? It says. Why would you allow yourself to get pregnant? I'm not taking responsibility for this thing. No.
I don't understand. I was a virgin before I met you.
I'm not the father of this thing. Go and look for the father. Just get out of my way.
What are you talking about?
You are getting pregnant. Are
Sam!
you okay?
Sam, where are you going?
This is a joke.
Sam!
I don't want to hear your voice. Stop talking. I can't go back home. I can't go back to school. I'm minding out to this done because of you. And now you tell me you're pregnant. Are you serious?
Please, I don't know what to do too. I'm scared. Please, we can figure something out.
There's nothing to figure out here. There's nothing. I don't want you in my life. I want you out of my space. I don't want to see you.
Please, you can't leave me, please.
I can't take responsibility for this child, Didi. I can't. I'm too young for this. You're too young for this.
What is your child?
No, I want you out of my life, Didi. I want you out of my life. Leave me.
Please, I'm pregnant for your child.
I don't have any money. My money is finished. I can't request for any money for my mom. Unless I make a video and confirm that I'm home.
Sam, I can pay. I have some savings.
Are you sure? Like how much? You have an ATM? Give her the money. Fast now. Is it complete? Count this on. Oh my god. It's complete, Abby. Is it complete? Is it complete?
That's Didi.
Didi!
Are you serious?
Didi, run. Didi, run. Run.
Didi!
Run.
Run! Didi! Run! Didi! 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 My daughter. Sorry. That's my daughter. That's my daughter. Do you know where she lives? You've not seen her before. This is her first time coming here. Did you see her? Did you get them?
It's too fast.
Let's go.
You ask her.
Yeah, I did ask her.
Where is he now? Sam.
What is it?
Where are you?
Go back home, Didi. I'm done. You've ruined my life enough.
Okay. Where's my money?
The money's gone.
Gone?
Yes, gone.
Gone how?
Do you know how much I paid lodging you in that hotel for a week?
Sam, please don't do this, please. Please don't carry your child.
Stop calling that thing my child. I'm not responsible for that thing.
Please.
Stop it.
Please. Please. Sam, please. I don't have any other place to go, please. Please don't do this, please. Just tell me if this is a joke or something, please. Please, I love you, please.
Your family won't stop looking for you. That's love. My mom won't do that for me. All she cares about is her work.
Oh my God, please. Sam, please just tell me this is a prank, please. Please, I love you. Please don't do this to me, please.
We used to stay in the hotel and use our you. Congrats.
Oh my God. Oh my God. No.
Madam, we are doing all our best to make sure we find her. Her picture is everywhere on campus.
Officer, please.
Don't worry.
Officer,
we'll find her.
Beg you.
Promise you.
Kitty.
Didi. Didi, please, can we talk?
I don't want to talk right now. Just go away.
Didi, please, I really need to talk to you.
Brian, I said go away. I need some space.
How did it go? Did she open the door?
No, she didn't let me in. She told me to go away.
It's okay.
What am I going to do?
It's okay.
What am I going to do?
It's okay, it's okay. We can't give up. We'll keep trying to reach her. Okay? We'll keep trying.
Maybe I'll try to talk to her tomorrow.
Okay.
Because I think it's best we leave her for now.
It's okay. We'll try, okay? We'll try. It's fine. Don't cry. We'll just keep trying.
Didi! 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 Didi, I'm opening the door with a spare key and I'm coming right in. Didi! No, Didi! Didi!
What happened? Why are you screaming like that?
Didi!
Goodness.
Didi!
Goodness. Let's take her to the hospital. Didi!
Didi!
Didi! Didi!
No, Didi, don't do this to me!
Let's go.
Didi!
Let's go.
Doctor, please the result.
The results are in, madam. And
And what, please, doctor?
Unfortunately, Didi's kidneys are in very critical condition.
Kidney?
Yes, her kidneys have been severely damaged because of the amount of drugs that she's ingested. We will need to detox her system and inevitably she will require a transplant. That's not the only bit of information I have. She lost the baby.
Baby?
Was she pregnant?
Yes, she was. I'm so sorry for your loss.
Mom, what did the doctor say?
They said she needs a kidney transplant.
Didi. Mom, are you going to arrest him?
The police will, if they find him.
Didi, please don't die. You're the only sibling I have. I don't want to lose you.
How's everyone doing?
Doctor, I just want my sister to be okay.
And any news of a donor?
Unfortunately, no, but we're still waiting on the results of a few tests we run, and I'll have more information for you.
Okay. Can you test to see if I'm a match? Please.
Felix, are you sure about that?
Yeah, we can't keep wasting time and waiting for. Please, can you run this test, please?
Okay. Come with me.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. Are you sure you want to do this?
If my blood is a match, why not? We'll do whatever it takes to save Didi.
Thank you for risking a lot for us.
Our family, Sandra. We stick together no matter what. Our family.
Doctor, how did it go?
Good news. Felix is a match, and we can proceed with the surgery as soon as possible.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you.
You're very welcome. You're welcome.
Can we see him now?
He needs to rest, but I'll make an exception.
Okay.
As long as it's brief.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Come
much.
with.
Doctor said you're a match.
You told me. I'm ready.
Thank you for coming through.
You're my hero, Dad.
We're a family, right?
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for everything.
Hey, it's okay. Everything is going to be all right. You'll be fine.
And you should thank him for saving your life.
Huh?
He saved your life.
You needed a kidney transplant and he offered to give you his.
Oh.
Dad.
honestly don't know how to thank you.
You don't have to thank me. You're my daughter, and I'll do anything for you.
But what you did, it's beyond anything I could have imagined. You saved my life.
I did only what fathers do. I love your mom and everyone she loves.
I love you too, Dad.
I love you.
Okay, so let me this.
Okay. Don't forget I have a queen.
Okay.
I see what you're doing. But I'll meet you.
Yes!
That's it.
Okay, let me bring this out.
No! Winning!
I'm going to take that out.
No way.
Okay. Just.
Are you expecting anybody?
And I'm sure it's a security guy. Come in, come in.
Let me just.
Yes.
Expose your king.
I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry for everything that I've done. I've hurt you all. Especially you, Didi.
What effrontery?
I know I shouldn't have helped in hiding your daughter away. I know my apology can erase all the pain that I've caused. But I just want you guys to know that I'm very sorry. Please accept my apology, please.
My son is truly sorry, and I am too, for not believing you when you called me. I believe everything he says.
I'm sorry.
Just like a fool. Because I trusted him.
You know what? I do not want to see you around my daughter.
Please.
I don't want to see your silly self anywhere around my house. Get out.
He's even traveling to meet his father in Italy, so he'll be away for a long time.
Leave.
We're sorry. Let's go.
Wait, hold on. I saw something.
Okay, how do you
So, I choose this one. This is preferable. This
I
background.
think if you.
I'll just open it first.
Okay.
Okay. Guys,
Wait, hold on.
I have an announcement to make. So we've come a long way. Learned a lot of things. We've learned that family is not only about blood. It's about love. It's about forgiveness. And it's about being there for each other.
And thank you for not giving up on me.
You're welcome. And no matter what challenges we face, we'll face them together as a family. That's why I want to officially ask your mom to be my wife. That's if it's okay with you guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Will you marry me, babe?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, I will be your wife. This is nice.
I like it.
Aww.
I'll be the ring bearer.
And I'll be the chief bridesmaid.
Okay.
Look at them.
Come. Thank you guys. I love you guys, alright?
We love you too.
I love you.
Sometimes what you see is not what you think.